Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and let me show you how to smoothly and easily change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon and go to the settings. Scroll a bit lower then and go to voicemail. Click on notifications, and by tapping on sound you can reach the whole list of ringtones that can be applied. So here you've got it. I will show you just some of them. And then just pick the one that you like the most, go back, and as you can see, it has been changed. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change voicemail notification sound. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.